Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Audi R8 is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after supercars on the planet, and this meticulously crafted model car aims to capture its essence in stunning detail, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of automotive legend right on their desk or display shelf, making it a perfect addition for any car lover's collection. Number 5. MAISTO 124 Scale Audi R8 V10 Plus, Red. Introducing the MAISTO 124 Scale Audi R8 V10 Plus in a stunning red finish. This meticulously crafted model captures the essence of the iconic sports car. We specialize in creating authentic scaled replicas of popular cars and trucks. Each model is designed to be a true representation of the original vehicle. Crafted with a durable die-cast metal body, this replica also features intricate plastic details. This combination ensures a high-quality feel and appearance. Experience the realism with opening doors on all models. Some even feature opening hoods and trunks, allowing for a closer look at the detailed interior. Turn it over and discover the detailed chassis, showcasing the engineering and design that goes into every replica. It's a collector's dream. What we like. This model boasts a realistic die-cast metal body with plastic details, and features opening doors for an interactive experience. If you're looking for a classic, well-detailed replica with a premium feel, this is a great choice. It's perfect for display on a shelf or desk, offering a tangible piece of automotive art. What people say. It has an ideal size for decoration, and the detailing is great: opening doors, die-cast metal body with plastic touches, and a realistic chassis. Beautiful red color and great attention to detail. The doors and the rear engine glass opens up. This is an extremely good representation of the new 2017 R8. The new red is spot on and the features will please as a gift to a child or an enthusiast. Number 4. MAISTO 124 Audi R8 V10 Plus Assembly Line. Introducing the MAISTO 124 Scale Audi R8 V10 Plus Assembly Line model. Experience the thrill of building your own supercar with this detailed replica. This model features opening doors and hood, allowing you to explore its intricate interior and engine bay. It's designed for easy assembly and display. Crafted with a die-cast metal body and detailed plastic parts, it offers a realistic feel and look. The quality construction ensures durability and a premium finish. Discover custom and performance detail parts that bring this iconic sports car to life. Every element is designed to capture the essence of the real vehicle. Assembly is straightforward with the included screwdriver. No glue or paint is needed, making it a hassle-free and enjoyable building experience for enthusiasts. Once assembled, it's ready to be showcased. This model is perfect for collectors and fans of high-performance vehicles. What we like. This one offers a unique assembly experience with custom and performance detail parts, all without needing glue or paint. If you enjoy a hands-on approach and want to personalize your model, this is the one for you. It's ideal for hobbyists who appreciate the process of building and customizing their collectibles. What people say. Makes a great gift and is exactly as advertised. Car parts with the quality you would expect from MAISTO. Car is quite good quality. Très beau produit, belle qualité et facile à monter seul pour un enfant de 8 ou 9 ans avec just one petit coup d'œil de parents. Number 3. TOKAXI 136 Scale Audi R8 Die-Cast Model Car. Introducing the TOKAXI 136 Scale Audi R8 Die-Cast Model. It's a realistic replica designed for both play and display. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy, plastic parts, and rubber tires, this toy car is safe and sturdy for children. It features intricate interior and exterior details. No batteries needed. Simply pull it back and watch it zoom across the floor for a long distance. You can even open the doors to explore the detailed interior. This 136 scale model is ideal for toddlers to handle and carry. Its compact size also makes it perfect for collectors to display without taking up much space. Playing with this model helps children learn about cars, improve their hand-eye coordination, and enhance their reaction speed. Packaged attractively, it makes a perfect Christmas, birthday, or any occasion gift for boys and girls. It's also great as a party favor or decoration. What we like. With its robust zinc alloy construction and a fun pullback action, this model is built for play and durability. If you're buying for a child or a collector who appreciates interactive features and a sturdy design, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for little hands and encourages imaginative play while teaching about cars. What people say. Solid metal and quality plastic parts. The paint is great. This toy looks just like the real car. Number 2. MAISTO Audi R8 V10 Plus 31513RD. Introducing the MAISTO 124 scale replica of the Audi R8 V10 Plus. This special edition model captures the essence of the iconic supercar. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it showcases the sleek lines and powerful stance of the real vehicle. You'll appreciate the quality in every curve. This 31513RD model is a must-have for any automotive enthusiast. It's perfect for display or adding to your prized collection. Feel the thrill of owning a piece of automotive excellence. This replica brings the performance and style of the R8 V10 Plus right to your fingertips. MAISTO is renowned for its high-quality die-cast models. This special edition is no exception, offering durability and stunning aesthetics. What we like. This special edition captures the V10 Plus in stunning detail, offering a premium collectible for enthusiasts. If you're a dedicated fan of the R8 and appreciate high-fidelity replicas, this is a must-have. It's designed for those who value accuracy and the iconic performance aspects of the real car. What people say. Love. Nice model. Number 1. MAISTO 124 Audi R8 Special Edition. Experience the essence of the original sports car. This 124 scale model is handcrafted with intricate detailing, bringing the iconic Audi R8 to life. Measuring just 7 inches long, it's perfectly sized for display or collection. Its compact dimensions make it an ideal addition to any space. Crafted from durable metal, this model offers a premium feel and ensures longevity. You can be sure it's built to last. Designed for both adult collectors and car enthusiasts alike. It's a fantastic addition that anyone would be proud to own. No need for batteries or assembly. You can enjoy this detailed model straight out of the box, hassle-free. What we like. This model is meticulously handcrafted with exquisite detailing and a durable metal body, making it a standout piece. If you're a collector who values intricate craftsmanship and a compact size for display, this is the perfect addition. It offers a premium feel and look without taking up too much space. What people say. Great gift for my nephew's collection. The model car is a fantastic addition to any collector's shelf, boasting intricate details and a realistic finish. Its doors open, revealing a surprisingly detailed interior, and the paint job is flawless, mimicking the real Audi R8 perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.